for another episode. Down here at PTHP headquarters. Going to put together the motor for the HQ. Going 383 cubes, it's Lanardi crank, X2I rod, CP piston in it. Yeah, some nice new parts. I've got the short together already, so we'll show a video of that happening. I've had to clearance it for the stroker crank, measured all my rod bearing clearances, main bearing clearances, filed all the piston rings, done all that stuff. This is the first motor that I'm putting together, obviously with a watchful eye. Yeah, so we've assembled the heads. I've just finished assembling the heads now. So they're ready to go back on, and then hopefully in the next week or so we can get it in the car. Yeah, anyways, we'll get to some footage and yeah, start putting it together. Alright, so I've got to clearance the block for the crank. Being a stroker, the rods will actually hit on the bottom in here. Bring them and show you. So we've had the crank in, marked it all out, and we just got to take a little bit out, like that one there. And just take a bit out just for it to clear. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright guys, it's Friday night. Finished work, come around to the old man's. We decided we're going to try and get to Heathcote by Sunday. Do some testing for drag challenge. So the motor's on its way out. Dad's been pulling that one out. Got a lick of paint on this one. Literally hasn't even got the sump or anything on it yet. No balancer. The timing cover's only on there for paint because we need the sump off this one. Obviously the manifold we're not going to put on while we're painting it. But yeah, so Friday night, pull this one out, take what we need off that, put it on the other one. And then the goal tomorrow, get the 383 in, and then tomorrow we'll get some sort of tune up in it and head to Heathcote on Sunday. That's the plan. See how we go. Morning guys, we got up before the camera this morning apparently. We got the motor all changed over last night, and then first thing this morning we come out and put it in. Dad had to go out today, so we needed to start early, get the motor at least in while there's two of us, and then I'll go through now, put the radiator in, you know, other odds and ends, wire everything up. By wire it up, I mean plug it in. And then by the time he gets home, it should be pretty much ready to fire. So, if I haven't fired it already. But yeah, the motor is in. Engine mounts, bell housing bolts, exhaust on. So yeah, it's about 11 o'clock Saturday. So we've got a pretty good start on it this morning. Looking good to be running this afternoon, and as long as we have no issues, then yeah, we'll be racing tomorrow. So let's keep going and get it happening, and then we can make some noise. built. Stage 3 built. She still snatches in second.
Yeah, like quarter throttle. Let her give me a hit a little bit. That's like old days at Dandy Dong. Lights go orange. Get the brakes on. Get the race.
Alright, so we're at Heathcote. First time with the new motor and just doing a light pump fuel run, see what it does. So far, oil pressure's been good. It's been doing all the things it should. I had to repair a wire that I left a bit close to the exhaust and it sort of melted. So anyways, we fixed that. Hopefully that stops our issues of it having little hiccups. It was like a full ignition cut, so, and it was an ignition wire that was on the exhaust, so I'm going to say that we're probably in the ballpark. But anyways, time for me to put a helmet on and do a pass. Let's go. Pretty keen. Doesn't quite react how I hoped, but it went dead rich, which, I mean, considering we drove around the street a little bit last night, I sort of expected that. I know it was rich up top. We had the RPM down, it's got timing out of it, so sort of just playing it a bit safe. But at least I've got a log now, we can go back, look at that, make some changes. Might do one more on pump fuel. I mean, I've got to clean that up a bit and then I'll change the table to suit the Z85 and see what it goes. But, I mean, it's still got oil pressure and it's gone down the track, so I can't complain. Happy. Let's go. Alright, so I just picked the time slip up.
There's a 10 in there.
Much more in that. Pretty happy. That actually felt like it pulled a front wheel. Hell yeah. We'll go and see what it ran. It'll be like an 1140 or something probably. Felt faster, but we won't know till we have a look. Felt cool, but big side. Thank you. Oh, 1087. 123, fuck yeah. 154 in the 60, it definitely woke up there. That's fucking cool. That's mint. How good. First motor that I've ever built goes at 10.